Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean out the Whirlpool washing machine. And it is, so the first thing they tell you to do is to open this drawer that has the soap and softener in it. Okay, and that's what we're going to get at back here. So what you got to do is come to the side, and on the right side you got to lift this, you got to push this one down to release that little clip, and same thing on the other side. So you got to lift it up and down. So let me remove that and we'll show you the other parts of this. All right, we got that out, and it looks like we need to do a bit of cleaning in here. Our old washer and dryer finally gave up the ghost, but I think with this we're going to put some rags here. There's no real way to put a tray there like the last washer we had. So I'm going to put some rags here and slowly open this. Hopefully there's not too much water in there. So there comes the water. So I'm just going to slowly let the rag soak that water up. Right there. Okay, let's see what we got in here. It's actually really clean. And look at that. There's those face mask things. And that's about it. I wonder where the rest of them have gone. Yeah, honestly, that's, besides a bit of scuzz right there, it's pretty clean. So I'm going to give that a quick scrub and put it back in. All right, I got that cleaned up. We're going to put it back in and, whoops, I forgot to clean that little bit of soap off, but I'm going to screw it back in, and I'll tell you what, they sure made that piece user friendly compared to our last washer. All right, we're all done. These drawer glides go back in really easy, so just put them in the track there. Make sure they're seated in the rail good, and you'll hear them click just like that. And then make sure your detergent drawer is shut all the way, and it's just that easy.